This fire extinguisher is here for a purpose. It's for someone to use in case of an emergency. But do people really know how to use it? Similarly, it's possible that someone might need first aid assistance in the workplace. But how many can confidently rush to help their colleague? Safety in workplaces gets the go-by, mainly because it's not on top of anyone's mind. Other priorities take over. Sales targets, project deadlines, the list goes on. But come an emergency, one should be geared to handle that as well. We at Learnnovators design effective learning solutions that can sensitize your team members to the criticality of safety and equip them to tackle workplace emergencies with ease. What's more, to cater to the needs of a diverse audience, the content can be delivered in multiple languages across a variety of devices. Interested? Write to us at elearning@learnnovators.com to craft a great learning solution that will make your workplace safer. Learnnovators. We bring innovation to learning.